Hi guys, it's Katie here, and today I'm going to show you a super awesome and super simple little method that you can do at home for a chest rub. It's great for that cold and flu season, help with your respiratory system, and make you just feel so much better. So what I have in front of me is coconut oil. I've chosen fractionated coconut oil in this bottle here simply because it's inexpensive, but also it doesn't stain stuff. So, under your shirt, laying in bed, flopping around when you're feeling not well, you don't have to worry about your sheets. Oh, I guess another reason for the coconut oil is it has an indefinite shelf life. So if you mix up your cold and flu blend and you're only using it a couple times a year, you don't have to worry about it going bad on you. Next, I've chosen our All Better Synergy. This is our kind of cold and flu blend that's designed for the whole family. So even the little ones will benefit from this one. All you need is here, I have 60 mils of coconut oil, of course a vessel for it to go in, and then your essential oil. I've chosen this bottle. I like it because it's squishy and it has this polylock cap. So when you go to use it, it's just a squish out, rub it, and rub on. So super easy to use. You don't have to pump. You can get all the stuff from the very bottom. Now that you have your coconut oil in your vessel, add your drops of essential oil. Make sure there's enough room for them. For a full adult, you want to do 5%. 5% is the I have a boo-boo and I want to fix it. So that's cold and flu, you sprained your ankle, sore muscles, things like that, short-term local application. So in a bottle this size, it would actually be 60 drops. So the nice way to remember that is your drops actually correspond evenly to the milliliter size of the bottle. So this is 60 mils, 5% will be 60 drops essential oil. Pretty neat. But if we're doing children, you want to do a little less, like a 1 or 2% of that. So you would do 24 drops for a 1% dilution in your 60 ml vessel. So let's do that. Let's make it safe for little kids. So you simply take your oil with your oil, put in your 24 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I lost count there a little bit. If you have a few extra drops in there, it's not the end of the world, as long as it's not like a 10-drop variant. Put your lid on, give it a nice gentle swish, and oil mixes very beautifully with oil, and then you're done. You're ready to apply. Apply to the chest, apply to the back, and apply to the feet. And feel better.